Hi, my name is Jaden Fowler, and today I want to talk about completing the square. So I'm going to complete the square and solve a quadratic function. Here's the quadratic function: x squared minus 6x plus 8 equals 0. You could simply factor this equation, but I want to talk about understanding the procedure here. The first thing you want to do is look at the x terms, and you want the coefficient of the x squared term to be 1. If not, you have to factor it out. In this one, it already has 1, so that makes life simpler. So the first thing I want you to do is write out the equation, but give yourself a little room between the 6x and the plus 8, and do the same between plus 8 and equals 0. The way you complete the square is you look at whatever number is in front of the x term, which in this case the coefficient in front of the x is 1/2. So 1/2 of -6 is -3. And then what you do is you square it and put the number back inside of the equation. Whatever that number is, you cancel it outside of the bracket. So now, to simplify it, since it is a perfect square, it factors to be x minus 3 and x minus 3. Positive 8 minus 9 is -1, that equals 0. So now we write the first part as x minus 3 squared minus 1 equals 0. And again, we're trying to solve a quadratic equation here, so we add 1 to both sides. Now what you want to do is to square root both sides to give you your two separate equations. X minus 3 equals positive 1, and x minus 3 equals -1. So you simply add 3 to both equations in both cases, and you get x equals 4 and x equals 2. And if you plug 2 and 4 into the original equation, you will get 0. So that is how you solve quadratic equations by completing the square.